This question is about period 3 of the periodic table. Deduce which of sodium, sodium plus or Mg2 plus is the smaller ion. Let's do the explanation first. So sodium and magnesium are in the same period on the periodic table, which means they have the same number of shells and shielding, which means it's not that. Okay. They also have the same number of electrons because they both empty their outer shell, which means they both have 10 electrons each. The difference, however, is that magnesium has more electrons, more protons than sodium, therefore greater attraction. Part B, write an equation to represent the process that occurs when the first ionisation energy of sodium is measured. So sodium is going to form sodium plus, and there's the electron that is lost. State symbols, it's always best to put these in, but for ionisation energies it's always in the gaseous state. We're not interested in the energy to melt or turn the sodium into a gas. We're only interested in the energy to remove the electron. So state symbols are required on this. Part C, first ionisation energies of some period 3 elements are shown in figure 1. Complete the figure 1 by plotting the approximate first ionisation energy for magnesium, that's this one here, and sulfur, which is this one here. So let's start with that one. And I'm going to get my ruler up for this because we know that the ionisation energy has to be greater than aluminium, which is element 13. So it's got to be higher than that value there, but it can't be higher than the next one along, which basically means my ionisation energy has to lie somewhere in this range here. So I'm going to put that there. For sulfur, it's a similar thing. It's got to be below that one. So let me draw a line for that one. Let's do that one in a different colour. So there's that line there. It's got to be below that one. But it's got to be above this one here as well. So again, when we're kind of looking at the energies here, that's got to be anywhere in here. So I'm going to put that one in that region there. Okay, so there's my ionisation energies. It then says, explain why the first ionisation energy of sulfur is different from that of phosphorus. So these ones here, that's the S subshell. These ones here, that's the P subshell. I've got phosphorus here and sulfur over here. So sulfur is the first element. Where the electron is paired in the 3p orbital. Therefore we get repulsion. Therefore less energy is required.